those voodoo works, the first voodoo is about the we got this yes. Let me just I forget the name. Like the energy bolt, yeah. Energy bolt can cost will cost 30 voodoo to send one energy or one lightning that does 30 damage to a god tier and a and almost and you spam it to a move or a someone who doesn't get someone you can instantly kill them. It's so OP that is not even that I'm not dying. Like many people use it for PvP because it's for the PvP or purpose or so you can stop someone for log out because when you try to fight someone you always try to log out. So, yeah, it's kinda useful if you're into PvP or if you're good at PvP. I recommend you guys use this last rebirth so you guys can actually fight people. Right? You can fight someone. Right? The next one is the energy shield. It can cost like just almost half. Just the 75 voodoo. I forgot, but it will cost 75 voodoo. It will give you this shield thingy in the ball thingy that protects you from for 30 seconds, but it will just disappear if your enemy hit you for like 10 times, it will disappear. So it's kinda OP. I recommend you guys use this or you get this for free. First when you go to the void, like because it's kinda OP when you're going to Brighton. You can run to people, like you can run. Saying it like when you're grinding. Like many people actually use this for PvP. So yeah, I recommend it for last and first. Also, the next one is the Void Glow. It will cost 60 voodoo that gives the user or you one time use and you will be invisible. Your armor, your tools will be invisible so you can sneak attack on someone. Like you can sneak on them, kill them. Like a god player, your friend, your enemy, you can sneak on them without but there's a bug actually. When you try to use it, when you're going to try to use it, then you're then you forget to use your tools. It will actually be visible to the enemy. So the enemy can see what tools you're holding out, like the god axe, god beaks, or even a so yeah. But here, this is actually a great voodoo to help you get to level up. Like when you see I got clear on the god, like when you see I got clear on the ancient tree, you're going to cut it. I just use the void float to get away without them noticing. So yeah, I recommend this one first, or yeah, first and last. Second, wait, where am I? The fourth one is what's the fourth one is the void teleport. It uses 60 voodoo and it will teleport you into anywhere you place your mouse. Like you can go here, then you Is your voodoo like there? Then you can travel there. You can teleport. So yeah, it's kinda useful if you're trying to run. Or you wanna escape from somebody being hunted. Or if you're being hunted, like example. If you're in a hut, this you're in a hut. You can use your teleport then to get out. Like click like you can use voodoo there, then you will teleport outside. So yeah. This can be used for running and yeah, run. But I recommend you guys get first. First, first would do or first would do to actually run from someone that's hunting. So yeah, that's useful and very great if you're just starting off and you want to use this. But you actually need to revert 3 times to get it. So yeah. The next one is the Voodoo Storm. It casts a large storm area where players inside who are not the player who casted it or are in the same team, then them will slowly take damage over time and be someone that enjoys storm power on the hut will completely envelop it and quickly kill the player. So many people use this for grinding. Oh, not grinding. They will use it to kill it. Or they will use it to cast a shadow. Like it, like a globe. Yes, a globe. That can slowly kill you, but it's not really that dangerous if you have blood armor and blood fruit. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for the video. Like and subscribe for another banger video. Smash that like button and subscribe. By the way, I'm doing giveaway here. Gold, 200 gold giveaway. Write your username down in the comment and add me. The username is that's my username. Wait, I forget. Yeah, that's my username. Add me if you guys want to win, or I will add you if you want to win. That 200 gold. And anyways, smash that like button. You guys will see another banger video tomorrow. See you.